Hey, welcome back to another episode of the FOGO Life. Today I will show you how to grill planked salmon and bacon-wrapped asparagus. Planking is a grilling technique where you cook your food on top of a plank of wood. Most planks are rectangular in shape and made from cedar, but there's really all kinds of sizes and types of wood that are being used. I got myself this oval plank. It's very natural, it still has the bark on it. And what I really like about this one is that it's actually cut across the log and against the grain. And I like that because it allows the grilling plank to soak up the water much better. That's important because when we cook the salmon on it, we want it to come out really moist and tender. And I am getting really good results with this kind of plank. Let me show you how to make amazing, tasty, tender salmon on the grilling plank. Let's do it. Make sure to leave the cedar plank in water for about an hour to 2 hours so it can soak up the water. This is important so that your cedar plank doesn't start burning. Season the salmon with your favorite rub, or keep it simple. I season it with salt, pepper, dill and lemon slices. I am also making bacon-wrapped asparagus as a side dish. I just wrapped the asparagus with bacon. I didn't put any wrap or seasonings. It comes out absolutely amazing just by itself. I'm setting up my grill to cook at 350 to 400 degrees. I'm going to cook the salmon indirectly for about 15 to 20 minutes until it reaches an internal temperature of 135 degrees and starts flaking easily. Alright, the food is done. It smells absolutely amazing. Let's check it out. Alright, let's see. So to know if the salmon is done, just do like a little test. It should be very flaky. So just get in there. You see, you can pull it right apart. You see, it's very juicy and flaky. Right there, let me steal it a little bit. See how it is. Let's try that out. Wow. It is done, all right? Very good. Let's get it off the grill so we don't overcook it. amazing smell, really yummy. All right. I really can't wait to try one of these bacon wrapped asparagus. Try one of those. I love bacon, love everything wrapped in bacon, cooked with bacon. I hope you can hear the crunch. It's amazing. Wow. Really, really good. Can you show you some more of the salmon? Let's remove this a little bit. See, it's extremely moist. You see how moist it is? See? The juice is running. It's really good. Perfectly cooked. And look at the presentation. Doesn't it look absolutely amazing? Imagine you're serving this for dinner party. Everybody's going to compliment you, how beautiful it is, how great it tastes. It's absolutely amazing. Yeah, another thing I wanted to say, this is actually quite simple to do. You know, if you pre-soak the cedar plank in water, you can just pull it out, and when you come home, you start the charcoal. And from the time you start the charcoal to the salmon being ready, it's probably about 45 minutes or so. You know, you have about 15 minutes to get the charcoal going, half an hour to cook the salmon, and you're eating. It's no time at all. I hope you liked our video today, and if you did, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget, share it with your friends on Facebook. Thank you so much, and see you next week.